Mass signing documents, like for example signing multiple employees' contracts at once with a physical device, and then synchronize the changes back to a web application, can sometimes be quite challenging. But guess what? It doesn't have to be. Just have a look at how it can be done directly from the Nuxeo web UI. The folder that we find ourselves in contains a list of documents which are ready to be signed. We are going to sign each of them with the Sign Documents feature directly from the web UI. Let's start with signing a single document. When I click this option, the system is going to prompt for the certificate that I'm going to use for signing. Now, this is very important to understand that this list contains the list of certificates available on my local PC. So this is basically the same list that you would see if you used Acrobat, for example. Now, all the pin handling, all the hardware features handling is handled automatically by the plugin. Now, please note what happened. The document itself has been signed. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, the document is indeed signed, and the details tell us that this has just been signed right now, because, well, the date matches pretty much what you can see over here. So this is no lie, the document has been signed. Voila. A new version of the document has automatically been created for us, and the details of the signature has automatically been extracted from the PDF document. Now, let's get back to the list of documents. On top of the standard information that a list of documents would contain, we have this additional column which is called status. Now, I could select additional documents which I find eligible for signature, and I'm going to now sign the selected documents. Let's see what happens right now. I'm going to use the same certificate, and as my PIN had already been provided, I don't need to enter that again. Okay, so now we have 3 documents signed. Now, just imagine that we would have a very large list of documents, no time for selection and no time for opening each of the documents individually. We could use Sign All Documents in the Current Folder feature, which is going to work exactly the same way. Right? So the remaining 2 documents that we see have also been automatically signed by the plugin, without leaving the web UI, without doing anything else than necessary, than absolutely necessary.